इनमें ऐड करवाने के बाद हमने जो है ना ट्रैकिंग एनालिस्ट टूल में जाना। हम एनिमेशन टूल्स पर क्लिक करेंगे, फिर इसमें डाटा क्लॉक के ऑप्शन में जाकर जब हम यहाँ क्लिक करेंगे, इस तरह से हमारे पास ये ऑप्शन आ जाती है कि वेट डाटा क्लॉक विज़ार्ड। इसमें आप देख सकते हैं अब ये जो फर्स्ट लेयर है ना चूज़, ये हमारे पास इसी तरह रहेगी डिफ़ॉल्ट। तो हम सेकंड वाली में जा रहे हैं और इसमें हमने सेलेक्ट किया है मंथ्स ऑफ ईयर बाय डेज ऑफ मंथ्स। बाकी सब कुछ बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ऐसे ही रहेगा एंड फिनिश। और ये आप देख सकते हैं टॉप लेफ़्ट पे ये इस तरह से हमारे पास ही जो है ना डाटा शो हो रहा है। इसको मैंने जो है ना वो सेंटर में लाकर थोड़ा सा बड़ा करके आपको दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ कि इजीली आपको ये दिख जाए। और अभी आप देख सकते हैं अटलांटिक हरिकेन्स का ये जो हमारे पास चार्ट था, ये उसका डाटा है यहाँ पर हमारे पास, ये चार्ट की फॉर्म में है। अभी ये चार्ट्स के बाहर आप देख रहे हैं जो 1 2 3 4 5 6 जो बाहर बाहर तक जा रही हैं, लाइंस क्रॉस कर रही हैं, इनको हम एजेस कहते हैं। अब यहाँ पर जो ये 24 एजेस हैं, ये हमें शो कर रहे हैं 24 आवर्स को हमारे पास जो है ना। तो ये आप देख सकते हैं, और ये आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें जो है ना लिमिटेड जो लेयर्स हैं, बॉक्सेस हैं, वहाँ पर हमें जो है ना डाटा शो हो रहा है, सब में नहीं हो रहा। और ये आप देख सकते हैं कि इन आवर्स के अंदर जो है ना अटलांटिक के अंदर हरिकेन्स अकर होते हैं। और इसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं जो हमें ये रिंग्स नज़र आ रही हैं स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द जनवरी, फेब, मार्च, अप्रैल एंड सो ऑन। यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि जो हरिकेन अकर हो रहे हैं ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं। दे आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द अगस्त एज यू कैन सी एंड इट्स एंडिंग एट अक्टूबर। और ये जैसे मतलब वेरिएशन आ रही है सीजन में, जैसे गर्मियाँ ख़त्म हो रही हैं, सर्दियाँ शुरू हो रही हैं, तो ये हरिकेन्स ऐसे हमारे पास शो हो रहे हैं, इसके अंदर आ रहे हैं। और ये जो चार्ट है हमें जो है ना यहाँ पर इतना ही डाटा शो करवा रहा है। अब हमने इसको देखकर कट किया, नेक्स्ट टॉप जो है ना स्टेप की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं हम। एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ दैट हाउ टू सिंबलाइज द hurricane data. We will use the previous data that we already have, and now you can see here in the properties, and now we are in the symbology. We will select the time window in symbology, and below to it in the drawn as we will select the color, and now in the time window and the periods we will type it according to our concern. And I've selected 14, and after selecting the 14 days and the units, we'll probably select the days. After changing the color, the classification, you can see here it will remain the same, and we just change the classes into 7. And in the option of color RAM, we selected the color according to our concern. And as you can see here, I'm just deciding that which color I have to select. Now this color has been selected, and I just selected this color and I applied it and applied. And now we are just moving towards tracks. We clicked on the symbol. As you can see here, the color, we can change the colors. The color has been changed, and now it's okay. And after okay, we have applied it and it has been done. So after applying symbology, we will move towards the labels, and then we will label most current feature check, and then we will change the object ID into event ID, and the remaining will remain same by default, and then okay. And now here you can see in the map there is no any data which is showing here. The reason behind is that there is no current data in this map behind it or at its background. And for this we are just moving to a playback manager tool, and after clicking on the playback manager, as you can see here, the interface is showing like that. And we will go to the select playback window, and we will select our Atlantic Hurricane 2000. And now we are just moving the units from seconds to the days according to the per day. And now you can see here we just drag it back to adjust it, as you can see here, and the loop is turned on. I'm just looking back the tutorial that getting help from here, checking the steps that even these are right or not. So it's done now. As you can see, I'm just setting it up this way. Yeah, now after that we'll again right click here, and we will check the speed of the icon in action. We are going to its properties. Now we're just moving towards action, and here in the properties we'll go to the action and we'll click on the new action, and now we'll type here, we're just typing here excessive wind speed, uh, as you can see. And now after completing it, we are just moving below it highlight. Well, actually it's a type of action to create, that which type of action we are going to create in, and it's open now. And as you can see here, a new pop-up window has been opened and type is highlighted. It's by default remain same, we'll never change it. And now we are just going to change the colors, and its red color is prominent and the size is 30. After clicking it as OK, we will enable the attribute, and now we will go to the builder, and a new window has been opened of query builder. And now I just going to search the wind speed. I just drag it, and here it's wind speed. We have selected it, and click the double tap, and now we will select the greater than or equal to. It has been selected, and after that we will type 75, and after that we just click OK. We will open the pop-up window, and as you can see, there was nothing in the initial step, and now everything is clearly here. As you can see here, all the features, and I applied here OK. After clicking it at OK, as you can see here, some areas has been selected in the map, and here the wind speed is greater than 75, and in the remaining area where the wind is not showing, it means that here is no wind speed which is greater than 75. After closing it, we will again move towards the properties, and we are going towards the action. And here first we performed here that we'll double tap here, and now we are just going to highlight that our attribute and location query, that it would become according to the location. Now here in the layers we will select the land areas, and in the trigger when intersect, and then OK and apply, and it's disappeared. And we will again go to the playback manager, that the action was clear, and we will see here the action is repeating and performing again, and these are the areas where the new action is performed. And as you can see here in the land areas,